topic this week in college algebra is to be able to find the inverse of a function. Let's start by finding the inverse of this rational function. Step 1 is to convert from functional notation to xy notation. So we replace f of x with y. Next, in order to find the inverse, we interchange x and y. So the y becomes an x, and all the x's become y's. Our goal is now to solve for y. So what we will do is multiply both sides by the denominator on the right. So both sides will be multiplied by 7 plus 5y. We now have a linear equation that needs to be solved for y. So what we will do is get all of the terms that involve y to the left side of the equation. I've distributed the x across the parentheses. We have two terms on the left, only one of which contains a y. So we will leave the term 5xy, since there is a y there. We will subtract 7x to the right side. Also notice on the right side there is a term here, negative 3y, that contains a y. So we'll add 3y to both sides to move it to the left. We now have the y terms on the left and everything else to the right. On the left side, we have a common y to both terms, so we factor it to the front. Our next goal is to isolate y, which we do by dividing both sides by 5x plus 3. Our last step is to convert back to functional notation. We have now found the inverse function of f to be negative 7x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 3.